Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Bitcoin charts and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we will cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the possibilities. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto and would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I use on a regular basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. Now, the reason why I love using this exchange is because they allow anybody from anywhere to be able to sign up and trade crypto futures without restrictions. So if you're from the United States and you want to trade crypto futures, you can do it right here on Blowfin. And this is actually where I currently trade all my crypto futures as well. All right, guys, so before I go ahead and actually dive into this video, one thing I do want to mention here real quick is this video is not a price prediction video. All right, this is basically just a price update and analysis video. All right, I am a day trader and I like to do all kinds of analysis on a regular basis, hence why I've got all kinds of different price update videos on all kinds of different altcoins here on my channel. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and see what Bitcoin is looking like here on the daily chart. So as we can clearly see right now, what's going on here is, first of all, RSI is extremely oversold here on the daily chart. As you guys can clearly see, we became very oversold on June 24th, and then it kind of rose up a little bit, but you know, it kind of realistically, it was a little bit of a bull trap there, and we ended up not holding momentum there and ended up coming down another, let's see, another 2 support levels. Actually almost another 3, almost 3 support levels in total. And then we came out and we bottomed out again, and we are starting to what looks like to be rising right now as well. So in a bearish scenario, or sorry, we're going to do bullish first. In a bullish scenario, as you guys can clearly see right now, the overall range that Bitcoin is trading in right now, we are trading within a beautiful bull flag going on right now. All right, this bull flag has been going on since, geez, I mean, we entered this bull flag, let's see here, back on February 29th of this year, and we have been inside this bull flag ever since. As you guys can clearly see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, pretty much 4 big giant drops so far since we have peaked here at 73,843. Now, what I could see happening here in the midterm what's going on is this current daily candle that we've got going on right now, it has started to open up green, which is very nice. We've got a second daily green candle in a row. What would be nice to see here is it would be very nice to see this daily candle breach above these daily candles right here from a couple days ago, which the top here would be around, let's see here, right around $58,625 or so. It would be very nice if we could get a clean closure above these. Now, it would be even better if we could get a clean closure above 58,900 as well, because that's going to pretty much tell me that we could be gaining momentum for a potential another leg upwards towards the top of the bull flag, which would be very nice to see. That's kind of what we all want to see. Now, once we do reach this bull flag, obviously it's going to be major it's going to be major eyes on the Bitcoin chart, because we have already tried to breach this bull flag 2 different times already. Actually, no, 1, 2, 3, 4 different times already, and failed every single time. And technically, as you guys can clearly see, we've kind of got almost like a double top going on here as well, which would honestly, you know, signal this giant downslope that we've got that just recently happened as well. Now, where is the bottom? We have no idea, all right? Nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody knows where a potential bottom is going to be, but we can only base it off of, obviously, speculation and previous support levels that we have created from previous price action. So what do we got for price action, or what do we got for price levels for a potential move to the downside if we were to continue moving down further? If we go over to the weekly chart, we can clearly see these levels a little bit better. If we do move down further than where we are right now and end up coming out of the bull flag, we have got strong support between here. I could see us either bottoming right down in here within these levels of 53,000, basically 53,000 and 56,000, or if these do not hold, obviously we'll end up coming right through this giant gap right in here, and we will probably come down to between these levels right here, between 40,000 and 45,000. All right. Now, this is kind of like a worst case scenario type thing. All right. Now, you got to remember, because from the previous bull market in the last bull cycle that we had in 2021, we ended up dropping way further than where we have dropped so far right now. So you have to keep that in mind as well. If history does repeat itself and we do continue to drop further, we could potentially drop all the way down to these $40,000 to $45,000 levels. It definitely is not out of the question, and it definitely is a possibility. Now, I'm not saying it will happen, because obviously I can't see the future. Nobody can. But it definitely is a possibility, and that's why it's important to have these different levels marked out. Now, as far as a potential bull case, obviously what we want to see, what I personally want to see, is I want to see us break this level up here before I start to feel extremely bullish and feel like we have got a good chance at breaking this bull flag and continuing even higher up to the 73,843 level and continuing even higher than that. All right. So guys, let's see here. Overall here, that's going to pretty much do it for this basic price action video. So before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys enjoyed this video and you feel like you got some decent value out of it, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video, and leave me a comment below on your personal thoughts on where you think Bitcoin is going to go here in the short to midterm. And hey, for those of you who stuck around and watched this entire video, thank you guys very much. I appreciate all of you very much. And I hope to see all of you in my future videos as well.